Okay, so for today, I'm going to do a lovely smoky eye with a bold red lip, which is just a classic formal look for any occasion. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to masterfully pull it off with these tiny hands. What are you doing today, Anne?
I'm going to give you a fun 80s party look. So bright eyeshadow, and we're going to do like a bright pink lip and some real intense blush. So it's going to be awesome.
All right, so let's get to it. So we prepped all of our stuff because we decided from our last videos there was going to be no way we were opening mascara. Ooh, this is fun though. Opening mascara and stuff like that with these tiny hands on. So we got everything ready. So let's get to it. So I'm going to do this lovely
What are you going to start with?
My eyeshadow probably. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do. I don't know how to.
I don't even know if I can lift my palette up with my tiny hands and show you because it's really big.
I'm masterful.
But
okay, so we're
going to use those fun colors. We're going to do some sparkly blush.
We're just going to get right in on it. Oh gosh. Well, I knocked my stuff on the ground.
And this is going to be our lip.
Neither Anne and I really ever do eyeshadow, so this is going to be great.
So this is going to be real interesting.
But my eyeshadow kind of tells me where to put things, so this one says on my eyeshadow that it's supposed to go on my outer crease.
Here's my eyeshadow brush.
Oh, yeah.
I think
right like that.
I actually feel like maybe I should start with some eyeliner.
Oh, I think you're supposed to do your eyeliner after your eyeshadow, but I don't know.
I don't know either.
We're obviously really good.
Okay. What color do you think I should use? I feel like I should use a blue.
Oh my gosh, this is gorge.
I'm still trying to lift my eyeshadow brush, so that's fun. Okay.
I think
so let's do a blue.
Oh, yeah, and look at the pop on that.
Oh,
so
wow.
It's like
so here's my blue. We're gonna give it a shot.
Now we're gonna do our lid, which is gonna be a lighter gray color because we're getting grays here. So let's smatter. Oh gosh, shoot! Just whacked myself right into my nose with that.
That's no good.
Yeah, I'm very aggressive with this.
All right, I already feel like an 80s fashion icon.
Oh my word, that's beautiful.
Look at that.
That is
okay, so I think
gorgeous.
that we're gonna do a little bit of like a lighter aqua
need to like darken mine.
on the brow bone. So up here.
Mine keeps like slipping and like whacking me right in the nose. So like that's
mine has just officially veered into clown territory.
Now we're gonna do our lid, which is gonna be a lighter gray color because we're getting grays here. So let's smatter. Oh gosh, shoot! Just whacked myself right into my nose with it.
That's no good.
Yeah, I'm very aggressive with this.
Bone. So
oh crap! Here. Mine keeps like slipping and like whacking me right in the nose. So like that's not the look I was necessarily going for.
Mine has just officially veered into clown territory.
Oh, well mine looks like I've been abused.
Oh yes.
Like I'm like very bruised on my eye. Like I might have gotten like a black eye. That actually happened to me once when I was younger. I was at a dance and got a black eye with a taller person that elbowed me right in the face.
No good.
So that's kind of what I look like right now. This is teenage me at a dance.
It's a formal look that involved a dancing accident.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. I've definitely got a nice clown vibe going right now. I think we'll finish it off.
My word. This is definitely what everyone should do for their next formal occasion. It's kind of like raccoon eyes.
It is beautiful.
Like, I like it. This is really speaking to me. I didn't really get in on my lid, but let's go ahead and put some more color on there.
Highlight.
Oh man, I'm super good at this.
Okay, let's give it
some more.
Like a little highlight.
Man,
a little highlight right there, like right where your eye kind of meets your nose.
Honestly, this is probably better than I could do with my regular hands. Like,
right.
Let's not lie. My best friend is makeup remover to get rid of all the mistakes I made. If any of you have seen us at Hunger Games parties, like for the teens and stuff, I just wiped it on my nose.
Nice
I just wiped it on my nose on accident. Don't talk and do makeup. Now we get this shot, so that's cool.
Right.
Anyway.
You tried to make this story time and
I know, I tried to like make it more interesting than us just like stabbing ourselves in our eyeballs. Okay, we're gonna do eyeliner now for me. Anyway, what I was saying is Hunger Games. We always have these oh, this is a bad idea already.
Don't say that. That's like what I'm doing next. Okay, I feel.
Oh my gosh.
I feel pretty good about this eyeshadow though.
I definitely just almost.
It screams 80s.
Can I see it in a minute or 10?
So now we're gonna try to do. I feel like this is also really difficult.
I feel like I can't see this eyeliner
because I can't.
I'm moving on from that.
Because since we don't have a regular mirror.
Okay, we're just gonna go on to the showstopper. The mascara.
What? You mean you can't do this? You can't do this?
No, I legit stabbed myself in the eye. Oh my word. This is ridiculous.
Or should I go for a wing?
I think you guys should appreciate how much we just love you. That we're willing
This is what
to
we're doing.
do this for you. So,
you know, our friends have access to this. Our loved ones,
yes.
you know, our partners, they get to watch this.
I make sure that I show all of them so they know what they're getting into. Well, my mom's just like, I can't tell if she's proud or just ashamed, but she has shared this video before.
I feel like I'm going a little bit for like a gothy new wave look now, but
this is
I'm in it. I'm in it. Are you doing mascara now?
A new respect for people that are beauty bloggers. Whatever.
Oh, this is fun, trying to get mascara out of the tube. Oh, there may or may not be mascara on the table now.
So we're also using very high-end products.
Right. Pretty sure I bought this Rite Aid.
Yes, but honestly, like, I don't think you need expensive products to look just like your best self.
I feel like I'm having trouble actually getting the mascara on.
I mean, my lower lashes I'm not hating. Oh, never mind. It's just the angle. Did you get the eyeliner on?
I did.
Mine was like not working at all. Like it was like not soft enough or something. Like I feel like I would legit like have just. Oh my word, this is bad. I look.
I have to keep like putting my fingers back down too. Like I want to help my tiny hands along, and I'm like, no.
I'm gonna go with blush next. So.
Okay.
I really feel
I think
like
this is as good as my mascara is gonna get.
So we're just gonna gently sweep. Oh, okay. We got way too much on there. Oh my God.
I feel like maybe you're going to an 80s party.
Yeah, maybe I'm just going to there's something happening in my life. It might not be a formal affair anymore, but
that noise is me trying to press some of this onto my
I feel like if you
brush.
make this face and really mush it in there, that's
you gotta do one of these.
Yeah. That's the best way to apply
Oh, I dropped my brush. Oh, now I have blush all over my shirt.
You know that nice pop of color, just real subtle blush looks really nice.
Yep. Oh, this is gonna be interesting.
Okay, I'm gonna move on now. For the sake of time, not because I'm bad at this, just for the sake of time. To doing lip liner.
Just dropping all kinds of things. Okay, so I feel like you get that's a good 80s blush. I was hoping
you know what?
I was hoping a little bit more of a line, like a harsh line right here, but I'll just have to make do.
Oh, okay. So I would highly recommend if you're doing a bold red lip to start with a liner so it doesn't feather, I think is the appropriate term.
Feather.
And we're gonna see.
So we're just gonna do a lip gloss that I will try very much not to drop. So we don't have to do the lip liner and all of that. We just need
like the Joker more than the black tie debutante I was going for here. Lovely.
Oh, this has been like the easiest part so far.
I mean,
let me tell you,
weird faces, but like the lips aren't so bad.
80s makeup really like looks great with my skin tone and my hair.
Oh, wow. Now we're gonna apply like this stuff over the liner. You know what?
Yeah, that's pretty.
It's a little Joker-esque, but it's not the worst thing I've ever seen. Okay. Okay.
Oh my.
Okay, I feel like it looked better before. I tried to use this really chubby lip gloss stuff. So, Oh my gosh.
Let's do a little.
I look like a sad,
Oh,
abused
that
clown.
definitely helped.
That looks so sad.
Oh my gosh.
So I feel like to finish off my look, like I have this like stuff that I do really kind of love. I don't know where I got this from, like discount Walgreens stuff, but it's like this like ultra fine gold powder, and it just makes my life. And you get to like spray like old timey perfume on yourself. So you just get. Oh gosh.
Are you doing eyebrows?
Oh, I forgot about those. Yeah, I'll do that in a second.
Okay, I'm gonna do eyebrows now.
Okay, so I can't squish this at all.
I don't know if you. Which is funny because I don't know if you see me at the library ever, if you see me in programs, you see me right now, I do not do my eyebrows. Like I just leave them nice and blonde.
I don't know what my eyebrows are.
So this will be really fun because I don't even do this with normal hands.
Oh, so I was trying to use the eyebrow pencil as my eyeliner earlier, ladies and gentlemen. So like that's what the problem was. So I do color my eyebrows. Oh wow. So you just want to do like a nice, just like kind of define that arch there. Oh my word. Lovely. Get that.
I should have just
arch.
like blacked out my eyebrows, like blocked it out with foundation and just like drawn new ones. That's what I should have done.
Super well. Your pencil's obviously a lot better than mine. I gave her my pencils.
Let's just go maybe for like a full clown look now, because that's where I'm at.
Yeah, I think like
I'm gonna embrace it.
School.
Yeah, I feel like if this librarian gig doesn't work out, put your finger down.
You're talking to me?
No, I'm talking to myself. I keep putting my finger up on the hand to like control it, and I'm like, nope, that's cheating. That's cheating.
I'm going for like the big trendy Instagram brows today.
Yep. Oh, I just noticed how bushy that part of my eyebrow is. I might need to take
I will be honest too, like I'm considering maybe never doing programs when we open again in this programming room because this lighting is just not doing the best for ourselves here. Like I'm pretty sure this light, like this look in like natural light would be absolutely gorgeous, but
I'm trying to use the brush part of this, and I'm like, what am I even doing?
Yeah, so I think I'm pretty much done because I can't figure out how to squish that thing with my tiny hands. Maybe I'm gonna put a little shimmer.
I think I'm gonna do a little finishing powder just to bring the look together, because it's clearly one that I'm gonna want to last all night.
Yes.
So.
Oh, I do have a highlighter that I feel like would be nice just to highlight.
I may have gotten too much powder. Oh, too much powder. Just maybe.
Oh, I do have a highlighter that I feel like would be nice just to highlight.
I may have gotten too much powder. Oh, too much powder. Just maybe.
And then you just tap that in really nicely, just nice and gentle. Just highlighting that cheekbone. Oh, that's lovely. I think you're supposed to highlight, I see people put it on their lips and their nose. So we're going to do that. Well, probably not. It looks like a bird poop time.
Well, I feel like my use of finishing powder really completed my full-blown clown look, because now I look like I have white makeup on.
I'm just going to places where the sun would naturally kiss your face.
And I think I might need a little bit more blush now.
Honestly, not my worst look. Okay.
All right. What do we think? Let's ignore all the powder on my shirt.